Now let us discuss 99. On electrolysis of dilute sulfuric acid using the platinum electrode, the product obtained at anode will be. What will be the product obtained at anode among the four options? Now let us try to understand what do you meant by anode and cathode. Anode, at anode, oxidation takes place. Oxidation, which means loss of electrons. At cathode, reduction takes place. That means gain of electrons. Now let us see the dissociation of dilute sulfuric acid. That means H2SO4. H2SO4, which is in aqueous form, it dissociates to form 2 moles of H plus, 2 moles of H plus aqueous plus SO4, 2 minus aqueous. There is also presence of water. How water is dissociates? Let us see the dissociation of water. That means H2O. Here water dissociate aqueous form, dissociate to form H plus aqueous plus OH minus aqueous. We know that H plus and OH minus are having higher mobility than dilute H2SO4. Now let us see the reaction at anode. 4 moles of OH minus to give rise to 4 electron plus 2 water plus oxygen gas is produced. Here we observe that 4 electrons loses by 4 OH minus. That's why its anode oxidation takes place. Now let us see the reaction at cathode. Here 2 moles of H plus plus addition of 2 electron, it will give rise to hydrogen gas. Here addition of electrons. That's why at cathode reduction. At anode oxidation takes place. At anode what will be the product is produced? At anode the produced product is oxygen gas. So answer is 2.